In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Hubspot. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate your domain to better align with your marketing efforts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, let's navigate to the Hubspot homepage. You'll want to open your web browser and type in the URL hubspot.com. This will bring you to the main page of one of the most powerful tools for managing your business digitally. On the homepage, you'll see a login button prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login portal where you can enter your credentials and access your HubSpot account. Make sure you have your username and password handy, as you'll need to authenticate yourself to proceed to the next steps. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. From here, it's just a matter of navigating through the right sections to reach your settings. Take a look at the top navigation menu and you should see an option labelled Settings. Click on it. This is where all your account settings are managed, and it's a crucial step in finally connecting your domain. After you're in the settings section, look at the side menu and find Content. Click on it. Inside the content settings, you'll need to scroll or navigate until you find domains and URLs. This is where the magic happens. Once inside, you'll see options regarding your domain settings, which is exactly what we're looking for. Now, by this point, you should be at the domains and URLs section. Here you'll find a button labeled Connect a Domain. Clicking this will begin the process of linking your domain. HubSpot will then guide you through the necessary verification steps, ensuring that the domain you want to connect is indeed yours. Before pushing through, make sure your domain's host provider information is accessible, as you'll likely need to input this data. Also, it's an excellent opportunity to have your IT team or tech-savvy friend on standby, should there be any need for troubleshooting, especially with DNS configurations. Following the on-screen instructions should help you verify your domain. It's important to remember that DNS changes can take some time to propagate, sometimes up to 48 hours. So if you don't see immediate results, give it a little time. In the meantime, you can always check back in HubSpot to ensure your domain is showing as connected once everything is finalized. And there you have it, a straightforward method to connect your domain to HubSpot without breaking a sweat. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough, and remember, a well-connected domain can propel your business in the right direction. Happy connecting!